The men's plus 80 kilograms competition at the 2012 Summer Olympics was held on 11 August at the Excel Exhibition Center. Competition format. The main bracket consisted of a single elimination tournament, culminating in the gold medal match. 2 bronze medals were awarded at the Taekwondo competitions. A repechage was used to determine the bronze medal winners. Every competitor who lost to one of the 2 finalists competed in the repechage, another single elimination competition. Each semi-final loser faced the last remaining repechage competitor from the opposite half of the bracket in a bronze medal match. Schedule. All times are British Summer Time, UTC+1. Results. On 13 July 2012, the World Taekwondo Federation released the provisional draw, which included the top 8 seeds for the competition. The remainder of the qualified athletes were randomly drawn on 6 August 2012. Main bracket. Repechage. References. Results.